What's going on, folks? All right, June 21st. It's like the second day of summer. It has been hot as balls here in the Finger Lakes. Let me tell you, like mid 90s, upper 90s, high 80s. The humidity index is unreal, as it always is in the Northeast. Yeah, not ideal for fishing, but bass season opened like 6 days ago. And I had my daughter last weekend, so I wasn't able to go. But I'm gonna go out and try to get some dinner. I'm gonna stop at the bait shop, get some fed head minnows. Targeting bass this time, which I actually am. I got a feeling I'm gonna catch a bunch of other shit too. We'll take them home also, whatever they are. So yeah, I'm gonna go out to, I'm gonna go back out to Dice, the lake I've been going to the last 3 or 4 videos. Been dodging storms like crazy. Lots of storms hitting over there by those lakes, so I got to be careful. I think the worst of it's over for today, but you never know. All right, I'm going to get over to that bait shop. I'll see you guys out in the lake. Peace. Current situation. It's freaking pouring. I mean, at least it's not windy. I'm actually thinking about launching. I don't mind getting a little wet, but I don't want my phone and all that other shit to get wet either. It's 4:37. Like, by the time I get out there, I might have like 2 or 3 hours to fish. That's it. It's gonna suck. And the Doppler's not right. Like, nothing's there, then all of a sudden shit pops up and you look at the app and then it's there. It's people, weather people are idiots. Their technology sucks. Alright, keep her tuned. Don't even know if I'm gonna be making a video. Okay, I finally made it out here. We got scattered thunderstorms and shit everywhere. And I'm also a dumbass because I forgot to put my fish finder on. So now I won't know how deep I am either. Great. Whatever. I got some minnows. I'm just gonna toss them close to shore. And then wherever I think 10 to 15 feet is, I'll just do that a bunch of times. See what happens. There's perfect size eater bass all over this tree. We're talking like 12 to 15 inchers, and I had one went up and nose bumped it. Dude, if you don't want fucking fed head minnow, I don't know what you're gonna want, dude. They're there though. Come on, take it. What the fuck? Dude, they're all nose bumping the fucking thing. First fish of the day. Wow, it's a crappie. It's a crappie that's too small for me to keep. Was not expecting that. Crappie. Wow, what the fuck is going on? You guys see that? Crappie. Lost a bass. Just lost a small bass, probably 10 inches or so. Not even a keeper. I'm not gonna give this area too much longer. Is he going back for it? Oh, he learned his lesson. Maybe he didn't. Maybe he didn't. Got him. And I gotta throw him back. You're not even a keeper. You're not even a keeper, dude. All right, do your thing. Do your thing. Ow. Oh, I knew you were gonna get me once. Little prick. Go. Smallmouth. Jesus, dude. Chill out, bro. Just caught a bluegill on this big ass thing. There was a freaking brown trout swimming around with it. You gotta be kidding me. Well, I guess it's not hard to believe, but I'm gonna need the pliers for this one. See, dude. That was cool to see a brown trout. I was like, wait, what is that? That's a trout. Next to the... I thought the freaking trout had my damn bobber. No. Another crappie. Not even legal. All right, dude, chill. Another crappie, not even legal. Just dragging that over the weeds. Probably a good 8.5, 9. See you, dude. You see these crappies are going nuts right here. They're crappie. There's a whole school of them right above these weeds here. None of them are really that big though. Came out here to get bass. I got one bass and like 3 crappies. Dinky crappies too. Get myself another crappie. Ooh, you're getting, well, you're thin, but. Ow! You son of a bitch. Get fucked. He's got no meat on him, but if he's long enough, I'll keep him. Which I don't know if he is. Son of a bitch. He's just 10 on the dot. On the dot ski. Other one. He's too small though, I can tell. He's probably an 8.5. Dude, there's some crazy crappie schools up near Shallow still. Another crop. Probably a 9-incher. Stop, you prick. Another crop lot. I'll measure them in case, but that other one I got, probably got to throw him back at 2, because I'm not just gonna take one 10-inch fish home. Sounds like there's some dogs out there killing each other. Yeah, he's only 8.5. See you, dude. Bobber's traveling, but it's not going down. Something little's got it. What the hell was that? Look at, what the hell's it doing? There's something over there, man. Oh, it's on. It's on. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a bass. I thought it was a big crappie. It's a little largemouth. Oh, he's freaking swallowed that thing, dude. Swallowed it. All right, where the hell's my pliers? I know it's in your gills, bro. Got it. Oh, he's bleeding bad. I might have to take Ken if he's 12. Yeah, I freaking gilled him good. Damn barbs. Sure, now the damn bass start biting. Little largemouth bass. Yeah, he's gonna die. I might have to take him. Let me measure him. I mean, if he's not 12, I can't keep him anyways, but... Oh yeah, I don't think he's... Yeah, he's only like 11.5. See? Well, I gotta put him back. I don't know if we'll make it, but we'll see. I guess so. So yeah, that's that. Had to wait for the rain to stop. Took like, I don't even know, after I shot the first video clip, like an hour or two. Took me to get out here. It was raining so bad. But I got lucky. It hasn't rained since. Maybe been fishing 3 hours. Did not get bass dinner like I intended. But hey, I need more time to fish. And the weeds are a lot worse than I thought too. I'm gonna have to start using something else other than minnows or something. Maybe use some spinner baits across the top or drop some Cincos down on the outside line. But since I didn't have much time to fish, it was kind of just like, just go around and let's just fuck around for a few hours and see what I catch. So what'd I get? 2 bass, about the same size, 2 or 3 crappies, 2 bluegills. I think I got another bluegill. Well, camera wasn't running, so it happens. I might go out fishing again this weekend sometime. All right, keep her tuned.